Hello garden lovers! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces into true masterpieces. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. Have you ever looked at your compact backyard, tiny balcony, or even just a small patch of ground and thought, "There's no way I can create a beautiful garden here"? Well, today we're here to shatter that myth. We're diving deep into the wonderful world of small space garden landscaping, proving that big beauty can bloom in even the smallest of areas. Stick around because we're also going to reveal our top 10 best modern backyard hardscaping design ideas that will completely transform your outdoor oasis. So, what exactly is small space garden landscaping? Simply put, it's the art and science of designing, planning, and creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing garden in a limited area. It's about maximizing every square inch, using clever techniques and thoughtful plant choices to make the most of what you have. This isn't just about squeezing a few pots into a corner. It's about strategic planning, vertical gardening, multifunctional elements, and creating the illusion of more space. Whether you live in a bustling city apartment with a postage stamp balcony or have a narrow side yard, small space landscaping is your secret weapon to bring nature closer to home, no matter the size of your plot. Now, why bother with small space gardening? The benefits are abundant. Firstly, it offers a tranquil escape right outside your door, a personal sanctuary where you can unwind, de-stress, and reconnect with nature. Even a small patch of green can significantly improve your mental well-being. Secondly, it's incredibly rewarding. Watching your plants flourish, even in a confined space, brings immense satisfaction. It's also often more manageable and less time-consuming than maintaining a large garden, making it perfect for busy individuals. Environmentally, even a small garden contributes to local biodiversity, provides a habitat for pollinators, and can help improve air quality. Furthermore, a well-designed small garden can significantly boost your property's curb appeal and even its value, transforming an overlooked area into a desirable feature. Imagine hosting intimate gatherings or simply enjoying your morning coffee surrounded by lush greenery, all thanks to smart small space landscaping. Ready to transform your small space into a stunning garden? Here's how you can decorate it to look absolutely beautiful. The key is to think vertically and multifunctionally. Utilize walls and fences for trellises, hanging planters, or even living walls, drawing the eye upwards and adding layers of greenery without taking up precious ground space. Consider built-in seating with storage underneath to maximize utility. Choose a cohesive color palette for your plants and hardscaping elements to create a sense of unity and flow. Incorporate mirrors strategically to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger area. Lighting is also crucial. String lights, solar lanterns, or subtle spotlights can create a magical ambience in the evenings. Don't shy away from incorporating small water features for a calming sound, or a compact fire pit for warmth and a focal point. Finally, personal touches like unique decor, comfortable cushions, and even a small bistro set can turn your compact garden into a true outdoor living room, inviting you to spend more time outdoors. Choosing the right plants is paramount when working with limited space. Here are some of the best plants that thrive in small gardens. First, dwarf conifers offer year-round structure and can be chosen for various shapes and colors. Second, columnar trees, such as certain varieties of fruit trees or ornamental trees that grow tall and narrow, perfect for vertical interest. Third, shrubs with compact habits. Look for naturally compact or slow-growing varieties like dwarf boxwood, miniature roses, or small hydrangeas. Fourth, vining plants. Clematis, climbing roses, jasmine, and ivy can be trained on trellises or fences to add lushness vertically. Fifth, herbs and edibles in pots. Mint, basil, rosemary, cherry tomatoes, and strawberries can be grown in containers, providing both beauty and utility. Sixth, compact perennials. Heuchera, coral bells, hostas, dwarf varieties, sedum, and various ornamental grasses add texture and color without overwhelming the space. Seventh, annuals for pop of color. Petunias, impatiens, marigolds, and begonias can be easily changed out seasonally for fresh bursts of color in containers or small beds. 8th, succulents and cacti. Require minimal water and come in a vast array of shapes and sizes, perfect for drought-tolerant or low-maintenance small gardens. 9th, ground covers. Creeping thyme, Irish moss, or sedum varieties can fill in gaps and add a soft carpet effect without much height. 10th, vertical growers. Think about plants that naturally grow upwards, like some ornamental grasses, or even slim bamboo varieties if properly contained. Now let's talk about the unsung heroes of small space gardens. Hardscaping. These are the non-living elements that provide structure, definition, and functionality. Here are our top 10 best modern backyard hardscaping design ideas to inspire your next project. 1. Chic patio corner with diagonal trellis and artistic accents. This stylish outdoor space features a striking black horizontal fence adorned with a diagonal trellis pattern, beautifully covered in climbing ivy. This clever use of vertical space adds significant green appeal and a sense of depth. A vintage-inspired white metal chair with a striped cushion offers a comfortable spot for relaxation. Surrounding the seating area is a rich collection of potted plants, including ferns, hostas, and colorful foliage, adding layers of texture and color. A golden round mirror embedded in the fence and antique-style lanterns hanging nearby add unique artistic touches, enhancing the overall charm and personality of this small patio. 2. Eclectic patio oasis with mosaic fire pit and woven seating. This aerial view reveals a wonderfully creative and functional small backyard. The centerpiece is an intricately designed circular patio made from a mosaic of various stone and tile pieces, which cleverly incorporates a central fire pit. 2. Natural fiber woven chairs invite relaxation, creating an intimate seating area. The surrounding landscape is a lush mix of diverse plant types, from tall grasses to flowering shrubs, defining the space without making it feel cramped. A winding gravel path leads to a rustic shed, adding to the garden's charming, lived-in character and offering multiple zones for enjoyment. 3. Raised garden beds with arched trellises for productive beauty. This charming garden features multiple raised wooden garden beds, perfect for growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers, especially in areas with poor soil or limited ground space. Each bed is topped with elegant black arched trellises, providing support for climbing plants and adding a sculptural element to the design. The beds are set on a base of pea gravel interspersed with large, flat stepping stones, creating a neat and accessible pathway. The overall impression is one of organized productivity and rustic charm, making it an ideal setup for a kitchen garden or a highly structured flower bed. 4. Cozy backyard patio with abundant greenery and comfortable seating. This inviting patio space demonstrates how to create a lush and private sanctuary, even in a somewhat enclosed setting. A central round dining table with 4 comfortable wicker chairs, adorned with lime green cushions, forms the main gathering spot. The perimeter is richly planted with a variety of shrubs, flowering perennials, and potted annuals, creating a vibrant border. Tall evergreen trees and a neatly trimmed hedge provide a natural backdrop and privacy. The interplay of different shades of green, combined with pops of purple and yellow flowers, creates a harmonious and welcoming atmosphere for outdoor enjoyment. 5. Tropical-inspired outdoor shower area with bold foliage. This vibrant backyard corner showcases a creative and practical design, centered around an outdoor shower against a calming light gray brick wall. Large, dramatic elephant ear plants with their impressive leaves command attention, creating a lush, tropical feel. Below, a mix of smaller, diverse plants, including spiky snake plants and soft ground covers, fill a neatly edged white planter. A towel hangs casually on the shower pipe, adding a touch of lived-in comfort. This design successfully blends utility with an abundance of greenery, turning a functional space into a beautiful private retreat. 6. Contemporary backyard retreat with circular lawn and pergola. This modern backyard design masterfully uses geometric shapes to create distinct zones. A perfectly circular patch of vibrant green lawn forms the central focal point, leading to large, irregularly shaped stepping stones. Beyond, a raised wooden deck with a stylish dark pergola offers a shaded dining or lounge area, complete with a small table and chairs. The perimeter is softened by a mix of mature trees, shrubs, and flowering plants against a neat wooden fence, providing privacy and a sense of enclosure. Large wooden spheres on the stone patio add a sculptural, artistic touch, enhancing the contemporary aesthetic. 7. Tranquil Japanese Zen garden corner with stone lantern and water feature. This serene corner garden perfectly embodies the principles of Japanese Zen design, focusing on simplicity, natural elements, and tranquility. A traditional stone lantern stands prominently, adding an authentic touch. Large, carefully placed natural boulders create a rugged yet balanced landscape, with a small bamboo water spout gently flowing into a basin, providing a calming auditory element. The ground is covered in meticulously raked white gravel, symbolizing water, while small patches of green foliage and a miniature tree add touches of life. This design creates a meditative and peaceful escape, ideal for quiet contemplation in a small area. 8. Lush layered front yard border with vibrant plantings. This stunning front yard exemplifies how to create depth and visual interest in a relatively compact space. The expertly tiered planting beds showcase a rich variety of foliage textures and vibrant flower colors, from the bright chartreuse of hostas to the deep purples and oranges of smaller annuals. The strategic placement of ferns and other leafy plants creates a lush, jungle-like feel, while the neatly edged lawn provides a clean boundary. The design successfully blends with the architecture of the house, creating a welcoming and verdant entryway, proving that even a small strip can be transformed into a dramatic garden statement. 9. Modern minimalist garden with defined zones and wooden decking. This contemporary backyard exhibits a clean and sophisticated design, utilizing distinct hardscaping elements to create clear zones. A central wooden deck serves as a warm, inviting pathway and seating area, leading to a brick-faced house with large glass doors. On either side, manicured boxwood hedges provide structure and lush green borders. The design incorporates minimalist concrete pavers and a central raised bed filled with smooth river stones and spiky foliage, offering a sleek, low-maintenance focal point. This garden perfectly balances greenery with hard surfaces, creating an elegant and functional outdoor living space. 10. Urban rooftop terrace with integrated planters and outdoor dining. This sophisticated rooftop terrace demonstrates excellent use of limited urban space. The sleek, dark gray siding of the building provides a modern backdrop, while large rust-colored metal planters filled with lush greenery and small trees line the perimeter, adding privacy and natural beauty. A simple yet elegant round table with 4 black chairs offers a comfortable spot for al fresco dining or morning coffee. The neutral-tone paved flooring ensures a clean and contemporary feel, and the combination of various plant heights and textures creates visual interest, making this an ideal city escape. And there you have it, garden lovers. We've explored the incredible potential of small space garden landscaping, from understanding its core meaning and appreciating its many benefits, to discovering creative ways to decorate and the best plants to choose. Remember, size truly doesn't matter when it comes to creating a beautiful outdoor sanctuary. With thoughtful design and a little creativity, your small space can become your favorite place. If you found this video inspiring, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who have small outdoor spaces, and don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and inspiration on transforming your garden dreams into reality. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. What's your favorite small space gardening tip? Let us know in the comments below. Happy gardening!